So hello tech enthusiast, welcome back to our channel. I am Debmalya and you are watching Learn Coding with Debmalya. So in this video I am going to talk about how to install Python in your local machine. So for me I am going to use the Windows 11. So first type Python on your browser, go to the first link, that is python.org, go to the download section. You can download the latest version of Python, that is 3.11.3, but I am going to use the 3.10.0 version. So I am going to use this version. So I am going to install the Windows 64-bit installer. I am going to open the executable file. Now this is the main part. You have to add this Python version to the path. So check this and customize the installer. Now you have to install this for all users, so check this box also. So now you can change the directory where you want to install the Python, but I will leave it. So now I am going to install it. It will start installing. So it is installing now. It may take a while depending upon your internet connection. So our installation process is almost done. So just wait few more seconds. So now you have to check whether the Python is being installed successfully or not. So for that reason, open the command prompt. So you have to write cmd in the Windows and press enter. The command prompt will be open. Now in the command prompt you have to write Python space hyphen hyphen version and hit the enter button. As you can see, you will see the current version of the Python you have just installed. So if you are seeing the output of the current version of the Python, then it means that the Python is being successfully installed in your local machine. So yeah, that's all in this video. So in the next video I will cover the introduction of the Python IDE that we have just installed in our local machine. So please make sure to like, comment and share this video as much as you can, and please do subscribe to our channel as I am new to YouTube. It will certainly motivate me to do hard work for you guys. So that's all. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.